Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a box that came all the way from Ireland from my wonderful friend Siobhan, who is Pearl and Button on YouTube. I'm sure most of you know who she is by now. Super talented lady, and also Siobhan is now my fellow teammate on Craft Supplies for You. So we are all really super excited about that. So yay! And I will have the link to Siobhan's channel down below in the description box. So please go over and check it out because she's so talented and she's just a wonderful, kind, sweet lady. And I'm so glad that we're friends. And Siobhan and I had done a swap last year at Christmas time. And she had sent me some wonderful pieces for my sewing machine, but there was one piece that wasn't in there, and that was the ruffler for the sewing machine. And just, life happens and whatever, and this is the ruffler. But to me, this looks a little bit more than just the ruffler, so you're very naughty, Siobhan. So let me open the box. I may have peeked slightly, but it's open. I got hubby to open it up for me. There's my address. So, okay. Let me, where will I put this? Right over here. Okay. Or I could probably just, oh, here's a card. Oh my goodness. Let's do the card first. Let's do the card. She put a pretty little sticker on there. I love that. Let's see the card. Oh, that's so pretty. Look. Super pretty. Okay, let's see what it says. I hope this card finds you well. Enclosed is the ruffler at long last. Enclosed is some flowers and fabrics for you. Oh, big hug, Siobhan. Oh my gosh, Siobhan, you're so sweet. I'm so glad we know each other and that we're friends. You're just a wonderful person and lovely, lovely lady. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just going to do one at a time because, yeah, oh my goodness. Oh, Siobhan, look at this, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, that is so beautiful and shabby. And it's almost like linen. Let's see what the name. It's called Flora. Printed in England. It's cotton. But it has that look of linen to it. It's a very heavy cotton. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, wow. And this is like a cream colored background with these beautiful big shabby cabbage roses in it. Oh, I love it. And the buds. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's beautiful, Siobhan. Thank you so much. Oh, I love that. And I love fabric. Love fabric. Fabric is my thing. Love it. Well, and lace. Let's face it, it's lace too. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I will just take this stuff all out here. That probably. Oh my goodness. Oh, I should not be looking. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to try not to. Okay. Let's just move the box completely out of the way. That's better. Okay, let's look here at this beauty. Oh, oh, it's gorgeous. It's like a taupe color. Is that the wrong side or the right side? It's hard to tell. I like both sides. This side is more dimensional, so that might be the wrong side, but I love it. And you can see the difference between the two sides there. Look at how beautiful that fabric is. Oh, wow. It's like a damask, I want to say. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. That is going to make some gorgeous book covers. And, oh, I may try the ruffler out on this too. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Siobhan. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, and here is the ruffler. So let me just get some scissors here so I can open it. You're so kind to have sent this to me. I so appreciate it. I've been having so much fun with all the other feet for my sewing machine. There. Special quality ruffler. Let's take it out. It looks crazy. It looks a little crazy. It looks complicated, but it probably isn't. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is huge. Wow. Jeannie Dreamer sent me all the instructions, but it did come with some, so that's good. Now, I have no idea which way this goes, but it has a thing on the bottom here, I guess, for measuring the size of the ruffle you want to use. I'm guessing it, I don't know which way it goes. Okay, this is going to take some figuring out, because I have no idea which way this goes. Now this would be to adjust it, I'm sure. And that would be to gather it. I'm definitely going to be playing with this today. And I will come back and show you guys what I did. Oh, yay. So I'm going to have these instructions and the ones Jeannie sent me. Look, Jeannie, it came. I'm going to be making ruffles. Jeannie sent me some samples of her ruffles, too, so I have something to go by, which was so sweet of her, too. Oh, Siobhan, thank you so much. This is like gold to me. It really is. This is just amazing. Oh, you have no idea. I love sewing. It's my other passion besides crafting. And, oh, I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to be making ruffle trim for everyone. Everyone across the land will have ruffle trim. Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Just amazing. Thank you, Siobhan. Seriously, that's so cool. Oh, and she made me flowers. Flowers. Oh, I love her flowers, and I love this bag. This is a beautiful bag. So I think I might alter that too. I have some other mail I have to send out later in the month, so I'm going to alter this maybe. Oh, Siobhan, these are beautiful. And I could tell already that this is one of your avocado dyed flowers. But look at how pretty this is. She's got like 2 layers of, I think that's muslin, that she's avocado dyed. So she's gone around it twice, and then she's created like this centerpiece here. But it's so shabby. I love it, and I love all the threads, and I love the color. I love avocado dyeing. Thank you, Siobhan. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at the, oh, that's okay. We can fix that. I'll put that right back in there. Just a little piece fell out. It came from very, very far away. Look at this. Look at all these layers on these flowers. There's a doily, and then some trim, and I think these are petals she may have die cut. And then doily, there's like cheesecloth, there's eyelash trim, there's all kinds of stuff on here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. Look at how shabby and beautiful that is. Oh, you are like the most amazing flower maker. Oh, that one's on here, okay. And this one, oh, look. Again, with the layering, just beautiful, beautiful amounts of layering on here. There's lace and petals, trim, doilies, cheesecloth, dangles, and this really pretty little center here. Well, this one has a pretty center too. It's a little dangle and some bridal applique. Those are beautiful, Siobhan. Thank you so much. I love those. Definitely will be using those on an upcoming project. Your flowers are amazing. So thank you for that. And this is a little package, and it says, "My first attempt at mixed media, stenciling and glossy accents, LOL." Oh my gosh, really? Oh wow, Siobhan. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm so honored you sent me your first piece. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a heart. I love it. Oh my gosh, and it's in blue. My colors, girl, you know. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. It's a heart, and she's got like a corrugated card on the back, or she may have painted that. Yes, I think she did. And a little flower there. Oh, and she used one of the flowers I sent her there. These ones. I sent her those at Christmas time. Aw. Oh my gosh, look at, oh, and there's a little charm here. With a fairy. Look, there's a little fairy there. Siobhan, I love this. You did such a good job. Oh, and there's the blue bridal trim. Oh, I love the butterfly too. And doilies here, little flowers, flat back, these beautiful hearts that she's stacked up. And she's got like threads here underneath it. Flower. Oh my gosh, I love it, Siobhan. You did such a good job on this. Oh, wow. I know exactly where I'm going to put that. Oh, I just got a big new shelving unit in my craft room so I can display all of my beautiful items that people have sent me. So that's where this will be hanging up. Oh, oh, it's so beautiful. Look at, I'm sorry. Look at, I just feel so blessed that you sent me your first mixed media piece. Thank you so much. Look at all these great trims down here. Wow, amazing. Amazing. I love it. Oh, thank you, Siobhan. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. And oh my gosh, more flowers! More flowers. Oh wow, I'm gonna take those out. So sorry for the crinkling. Oh, look. Thank you for putting that there. It says open. Because yeah. Sometimes I struggle to find those things. So thank you for that, Siobhan. We'll open that. And again, sorry for the crinkling, guys. Somebody said to me, crinkling's not so bad because it's a happy sound, because you're opening something inside. So I agree with that. Look at these. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Look. Oh, this is beautiful fabric with lace and a gorgeous pearl there. And then these ones I think are down with blue dots or tape. Yeah, tape. Look at this. Oh. That is a beautiful sort of fleshy peach color, which I love this color. It's so shabby. And OMG, look at this. I love that. Oh, wow. Siobhan, that's gorgeous. Now, was the fabric like this, I wonder, or did you color that to get the dark edges? Or I know you've melted it. Did it go that color when you melted it? Or I love it. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful and shabby that is. Wow, and then another in the neutral. Just gorgeous. And she just layers like so well. Oh, wow. Beautiful button on the middle of that one. And then last but not least, another one of these. Whoops. Oh, I love that. Now, did you make that center? That's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. You are like the most amazing flower maker. Look at these, you guys. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. I'll just set those right here for a second. Thank you. Oh my gosh, fabric. Okay, this one has a little tag on it, and it says enjoy. Oh, yep, I will enjoy it. Thank you. And thank you for this beautiful ribbon. I'm gonna do something with that, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at this fabric. Holy cow, you sent lots. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that is. Now, it's not really showing up the true color. It's a very beautiful peach color with these beautiful roses, and then the leaves here are sort of a almost teal color. So the camera's not doing that color justice, but it is gorgeous, and it's more of that beautiful cotton that has the look of linen to it. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Wow. I don't have any fabric like this in my stash at all. Oh my gosh, and you sent me lots, hon. Oh my goodness. You have spoiled me. Thank you so much. Oh, and this one says enjoy too. Oh, and this one is similar. Oh no, it's very different. I thought it was the same pattern, just a different color, but it's not. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look how beautiful. Now this is like a taupe color in the background. Again, it's not picking it up on the camera with these gorgeous flowers here. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Siobhan. I love that. Wow. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics. Gorgeous. And let me move this one over here. This has a tag. It says, wonder what you'll make with this. Yes, I wonder. Oh my gosh, this is different again. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It's got like topiary tree type things or flowers in a basket. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This one's called Isabella. Oh, that's my granddaughter's name, Isabel. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Beautiful fabric. Wow. Oh, Siobhan, you did not have to do that. Thank you so much. And I am going to make pretty things with these fabrics. Oh my goodness, my friend. Thank you so much. You are amazing. I'm so blessed that you are my friend and my fellow teammate now too. Yay. And I have your first mixed media piece and all your gorgeous, beautiful flowers and the ruffler, the infamous ruffler, which I'm very, very, very excited to try out today. So I am going to be doing that today. Yes, my day is now set. Thank you so much, Siobhan. I love everything. You're such a kind-hearted lady and such an asset to our YouTube community. You are talented and amazing and wonderful, and I am so blessed to call you friend. So thank you for everything. And I will be in touch soon. And please go and check out Siobhan's channel because you can see how talented this lady is. So, and I'm just cherishing everything here. So, mwah, thank you, my friend. And I'll be back later with another video, guys. So take care, everybody, and go and sub to Siobhan. The link is down below. Bye, everybody. Thanks, Siobhan. Bye.